Are you working?
Yes, I work.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I do.
Where do you work?
I work downtown.
Is it far?
No, quite close.
How do you go?
I walk there.
Is walking good?
Yes, very healthy.
What do you do?
I work in office.
Is it a good job?
Yes, very good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
How long have you worked?
About 2 years now.
Is 2 years long?
Not very long.
Did you like it from start?
Yes, from day one.
What is your role?
I am an assistant.
Is that a hard role?
Sometimes, but manageable.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, very kind boss.
Is your boss strict?
Sometimes, but fair.
Do you work with team?
Yes, small, friendly team.
Is the team good?
Yes, very good team.
How many people in team?
About 5 people total.
Do you get along well?
Yes, very well indeed.
What time do you start?
I start at 9.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 5.
Is 9 to 5 good?
Yes, perfect hours.
Do you work weekends?
No, just weekdays.
Do you enjoy weekdays?
Yes, I stay busy.
What do you do after work?
I rest and study.
Do you study after work?
Yes, learning new skills.
What are you learning?
I am learning coding.
Is coding difficult?
Yes, but very interesting.
Do you like coding?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Will coding help your job?
Yes, very much so.
Do you earn good money?
Yes, enough for me.
Is the salary enough?
Yes, covers my needs.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save monthly.
Is saving important?
Yes, very important habit.
Do you have benefits?
Yes, health and transport.
Are benefits important?
Yes, very helpful benefits.
Do you take lunch break?
Yes, 1 hour daily.
Where do you eat lunch?
Near office cafe usually.
Is the food good there?
Yes, quite good food.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Sometimes yes, very fun.
Are your colleagues friendly?
Yes, very friendly people.
Do you have a desk?
Yes, my own desk.
Is your desk organized?
Yes, always very neat.
Do you use a computer?
Yes, all day long.
Does your back hurt?
Sometimes yes, from sitting.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, every 1 hour.
Is taking breaks important?
Yes, helps concentration.
Do you wear smart clothes?
Yes, smart casual daily.
Is dressing well important?
Yes, makes good impression.
Do you feel tired sometimes?
Sometimes yes at evening.
What do you do then?
I drink tea then.
Does tea help tiredness?
Yes, refreshes me quickly.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, sleep very well.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours nightly.
Is 7 hours enough?
Yes, enough for me.
Do you exercise too?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
Does exercise help work performance?
Yes, gives more energy.
Are you happy at work?
Yes, very happy indeed.
What makes you happy there?
Good team and growth.
Is growth important to you?
Yes, most important thing.
Do you want promotion?
Yes, working hard for it.
When do you want promotion?
Maybe next year, hopefully.
Are you ready for it?
Yes, I feel ready.
Does your boss know this?
Yes, we talked already.
What did boss say?
Keep working hard more.
Are you doing that?
Yes, giving my best.
Do you have work goals?
Yes, clear yearly goals.
What is your main goal?
Become a team leader.
Is that realistic?
Yes, very achievable goal.
Do you have a plan?
Yes, step by step.
Will you achieve your goal?
Yes, I believe so.
Do you inspire others?
I try to. Yes,
Does work give you purpose?
very much so.
Is work your passion?
Yes, I love working.
Any advice for job seekers?
Work hard, stay positive.
Thank you for sharing.
Happy to share always.